A wise man once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And that is a quote by the legendary Warren Buffett, who is a multi-billionaire. And so in today's video, we are going to be diving in the top 3 ways to make money while you sleep. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing, I do have a course and I'll put that down below so you guys can at least check it out. So now, let's jump into it. Now, if you look this up on YouTube or Google, you're gonna find thousands of different responses. Some people may like blogging, some other people may like affiliate marketing, but we're gonna be covering the 3 ways that I make money while I sleep. So starting with the very first one. Now, the very first way that you guys can make money while you sleep is by investing in the stock market. And what I mean by that, because that's such a broad term, is by investing into high-functioning dividend-paying stocks. The reason why dividends are that key player to the football team or to the team here is because dividends is pretty much when a company makes so much money, they will pay you for holding these shares. So the beauty of investing in dividends is you'll get appreciation in that share price. So maybe you buy the stock for $10 and then in a year or two it may be worth $20, and then plus each quarter you're getting a dividend of possibly 10 cents that you can compound on itself. And now you might be saying, well, Carter, why would I do that if I'm only getting a 10-cent dividend? Compound interest, my friend. Now, another genius by the name of Albert Einstein said the 9th wonder of the world is compound interest. And the reason why is because maybe one year you only get 10 cents of dividends. And you take that 10 cents and you reinvest it back into these companies and you start this compound interest. So maybe the following year you get 20 cents or 30 cents. Then the next year you're getting $1 or $2 and you're starting this snowball effect with your money. And you guys can clearly see the correlation between investing your dividends and not reinvesting your dividends. So make sure you reinvest those dividends because it will add up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. And obviously, this is a way you guys can just put your money in something and never have to worry about it. And now you may be saying, well, Carter, how do I even buy dividend stocks? I have no idea. Well, you're gonna need something called a stock broker. This is pretty much giving you access to these stocks, right? Giving you access to the exchange. And these are companies like Robinhood, M1 Finance, Thinkorswim. All of them are fantastic. Just make sure that they have DRIP, which is that dividend reinvestment program, so you don't have to even do it yourself to reinvest those dividends. The companies I like are Robinhood, Thinkorswim, and M1 Finance for those dividend paying DRIP program, dividend reinvestment plan. And now before we jump into the second way, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe right now. Subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Now the second way that you guys can make money while you sleep, speaking of subscribe, start a YouTube channel. And I know a lot of you might be saying, well, Carter, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know what to talk about. Hey, what are you passionate about? If you love fishing or doing arts and crafts, everybody has a phone and everybody can make high quality videos. You know, most of the time these phones take better videos and have better audio than large cameras or the Canon G7X. These are such high functioning cameras and videos. And start a YouTube channel because there is so much opportunity out there. Maybe you start a YouTube channel and then it turns into a podcast. And then next thing you know, you're selling ebooks and courses and the list goes on and on and on. And I think we all know, right, the most common question if you ask kids, what do you want to be when you're older, is a YouTuber. So you might as well just start. The biggest thing with all of these is just starting. That is almost the hardest part with it, is just starting, because once you get a rhythm, once you get a groove, you will love it and find that passion and pretty much just make videos on what you like doing, and it'll be a lot of fun. Now, yes, this does require some time to make these videos, but you post them, you forget about it, you go to bed, and you'll have a check for lifetime as long as those videos are up. And the thing is there's been videos that I posted and maybe 2 weeks or a month goes by and I maybe only get 1,000 or a couple thousand views, and then after 2 months the video skyrockets up and I'm making money, and I'm like, why is my AdSense revenue so high? And I go back and it's because of other videos I made in the past and I just leave them on my account. Now the third and final way that you guys can make money while you sleep is by investing in real estate. And I know you might be saying, well, Carter, I don't even have $5 to invest in real estate. You don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars. You just need like 10 bucks. what you can do is you can invest into companies like Fundrise or even CrowdStreet. Pretty much what it is it's these different REITs and companies that pool money together and they invest it into these real estate properties, which is awesome. Personally, I use Fundrise. I'll put a link down below so you guys can check it out. But what it is you take that $10, you put it in there, and they may take that $10 and put it in a property in North Carolina, and as the tenants pay their lease, their rent, you guys get a little bit of that money, and then plus the appreciation of the real estate goes up. So maybe $10 turns into $15, plus you get that dividend check every single quarter that will start compounding as well. It's just a great way that you guys can start making money while you sleep, because you don't have to actively manage it. That's what the company does. That's what the company's for. I use it, and I've grown my account. I've been investing about $10 a week over the past year, and it's almost at $1,000. So it's a beautiful way to invest, and I highly recommend it. But guys, these are the top 3 ways that you guys can make money while you sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit the like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Take care.